talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. This article is a little bit older, not that much older, a little earlier in the month, but there was a couple things in the article that really sparked my interest. And let's see if it sparks yours, shall we? Yes, let's. All right. So it says that New Jersey postal facilities set to close as part of nationwide restructuring of the U.S. Postal Service. Nothing new, right? Yeah. Okay, it says the post office's Greater Newark, New Jersey Processing and Distribution Center in Kearney, New Jersey is slated to close early next year, threatening hundreds of jobs. Its operations will be consolidated in Jersey City Network Distribution Center, NDC, which will become the Regional Processing and Distribution Center, RPDC, for the region. Nothing new. But what it did do, this is where it gets interesting. In 2022, this facility employed as many as 800 mail handlers, mail processing clerks, equipment operators, and other workers and supervisors. Of these, roughly 250 PSEs, postal support employees, non-career, or temporary employees were given letters telling them that they will be terminated with no recourse. That's rough. Well, they kind of can do that, right? Because they're non-career. But, career, listen up. Career employees are being offered non-competitive consideration for lateral or downgraded positions at other facilities within 50 miles of the closed facility. Downgraded or lateral. Those who do not find an equivalent position to the ones which they hold now will have to accept downgraded positions to keep a job. That's career people. With their current pay grade guaranteed for only 2 years. Those who don't take an available position will be terminated, fired. Vamoose, get out of here, forget about it. The situation at Kearney is just a taste of what much of the USPS workforce will face in the near future. It's part of the misnamed Delivery for America program, a vast restructuring effort which will close thousands of local post offices and shed tens of thousands of jobs. A key component of the plan is the restructuring the USPS network along Amazon lines. Basically, they're trying to do the whole Amazon setup. Centered around a smaller number of huge distribution centers, according to the recent article on Save the Post Office website. The initial wave of consolidation is supposed to be accomplished by June of 2024. It's only about 7 months, family. And will involve creation of 13 sorting and distribution centers, SNDCs, in various locations across the country. 37 existing post offices will be converted to spoke facilities, sending their routes to SDC hubs. SDCs, in turn, will feed larger local processing centers and regional processing and distribution centers. So, this is what we got going on, okay? Y'all thought it was a game. See, we kind of knew this was all happening, right? We all knew this was happening, but what we couldn't fathom is that they were going to be getting rid of jobs, and all the career people was like, oh, well, it is what it is. The non-career people, they're going to have to lose their job. But that's not just the case. Career people are going to have to take a job equal to their pay, just a job, or downgrade. Think about that. They only keep their pay for 2 years. Then they have to take either a pay cut or get terminated. That's rough. That's rough. Now, you read it. Oh, well, you didn't read it. I read it to you. But it's saying that that's pretty much what's going to happen nationwide. So, I mean, what we going to do? What we going to do? We going to rebel? We going to strike? We can't strike. Y'all know we can't strike. Technically, we could. We could. We could. Shh, don't say that word because we got supervisors watching. Hee. Anyway, tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. I'm out here at Santa's Enchanted Forest, about to go do my thug dizzle with the hizzle for Rizzle Dizzle. But yeah, I read the article before, then I read the whole article again, and I felt like this is something that needed to be shared. All right, this is JH Saturday, and Royal Rumble's coming on a little bit later. Y'all get on your Royal Rumble, and Survivor Series. I'm sorry, Survivor. My son said, what was it?
Survivor Series.
Oh, okay. Thanks for sharing that, bro. Yeah. Sheesh. All right. It's JH, and I'm out.
We out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.